Namaste everyone. Welcome to the channel of Reach World Music. Today we shall learn the names of the farm animals and birds in Telugu. In Telugu, a hen is known as Kodi. Hen is called Kodi. For the touch the palate. Kodi. It is not Kodi, it is Kodi. Kodi is hen. Duck is called Batu. For the touch the teeth. Kodi, Batu. Batu is a duck. A turkey is called a Seema Kodi or Nippu Kodi. Seema Kodi, Nippu Kodi. A guinea fowl is called Guinea Kodi. Guinea Kodi. A cat is called Pilli. Cat is Pilli. So it is like pill and li. Pilli. A cat is a pilli. A dog is Kukka. Kukka. Again here it is cook and ka. Kukka. A rabbit is called Kundelu. Kundelu. For the touch the teeth. It's not kunde, it is kunde. Kundelu. Sheep is called Gorre. Gorre. For Gorre, again it is Gur and Re. Gorre. A goat is called Meka. Meka. A cow is called Avu. Avu. Ox or bull is called Eddu. For the touch the teeth. Eddu. So it could be Ed. If I put it this way, it could be the, so I just put it as Eddu. Eddu. A buffalo is called Barre, Barre or Gede. De. The touch the teeth. For the touch the teeth. Barre, Gede. A male buffalo is called Dunna Potu. Dunna Potu. For the touch the teeth again. Dunna Potu. Horse is called Gurramu. Gurramu. Gur and then ra. So it's not Gura, it is Gurra. Gurramu. A donkey is called Gadida. For this D, touch the palate. For this D, touch the palate. For this, touch the teeth. So, palate for D and teeth, D. D for teeth for the D. Here. So, Gadida. It's not Gadida. It's Gadida. It's not Gadida. It is Gadida. Pandi is pig. Pandi. The again touch the teeth. It's not Pandi. It is Pandi. We shall repeat. A hen is called Kodi. Duck is called Batu. So Kodi, Batu. Turkey is called Seema Kodi or Nippu Kodi. Guinea fowl is called Guinea Kodi. Cat is called Pilli. Dog is called Kukka. Rabbit is called Kundelu. Sheep is called Gorre. Goat is Meka. Cow, Avu. Ox or bull, Eddu. Buffalo, Barre, Gede. Male buffalo, Dunnapotu. Horse, Gurramu. Gurramu. Donkey, Gadida. Pig, Pandi. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Please do like, subscribe, comment and share. See you in the next video. Namaste.